शाश्वत सनन सननन प्राण गुंजन घनन घननन उतरे मुझ में आदि योगी योग धारा छलक छन छन सांस शाश्वत सनन सननन प्राण गुंजन घनन घननन उतरे मुझ में आदि योगी उतरे मुझ में आदि योगी दो अस्तित्व मेरा और कर दो चूरा चूरा पूर्ण होने दो मुझे और होने दो अब पूरा पूरा भस्म वाली रस्म कर दो आदि योगी योग उत्सव रंग भर दो
Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. That was a very beautiful song, very beautiful bhajan about Lord Shiva, the first yogi on this earth, 15,000 years ago. And this that you are seeing, this is the Kashmiri Pandits. This is Mahadev and Parvati and Ganesh Bhagwan and of course the Ganas, the Saptrishis and the Vatak Bhairav also. At the center, as you can see this, ladies and gentlemen, this is the Sanipatul, this is the Linga, this is the Partheshwar, that is the centerpiece of that worship during the Mahashivratri. I wanted to show you, and in this beautiful rendition by Kailash Kher, this beautiful song, and just find out exactly what all comprises the Mahashivratri and the Herath that we say. This this Shivratri Puja on this very important moonless night, the darkest night of the year. And ladies and gentlemen, that you can see that this is the trident. This is the trident that we have made, and Om with Om at the top. And ladies and gentlemen, this is the complete Vatuk. This is known as Vatuk Ras. Vatuk Ras. The complete family and the complete, that Baratis of Mahadev, Shambhu, Shankar, along with in the Saptarishis, and of course the head of the barrows, that is known as Vatuk Barrow, and Saptarishis are seven sages. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is 13th. Yesterday it was 13th of February 2018. That was the Mahashivratri of Kashmiri Pandits all over the world. It is one day before all other the Indian subcontinent. Today is 14th. Today is the Salam of Kashmiri Pandits, and it's also a very important day and a very important moment when we just exchange goodies and exchange pleasantries with our Muslim brothers, with other people, and also give Heras courage. So, ladies and gentlemen, I just wanted to tell you that about this Vatuk Barrow. This Vatuk, why exactly this is known as Herat. Why this is known in Kashmiri Pandits? They say it is Herat exactly is coming from Herat. It's a Persian word. Herat means surprise, a very big surprise. Actually, around 500 years back, there was one ruler, Jabbar, with the name of Jabbar in Kashmir, and he asked Kashmiri Pandits, why on earth you are just celebrating this Shivratri, Mahashivratri in the month of February and March, and you say that necessarily on that day it will snow and it will rain. So let me check whether you are saying and your Mahadev Shambhu is true or false. So let me he ordered the Kashmiri Pandits to celebrate Herat, to celebrate this Mahashivratri during the summertime, at June time, during summertime in June. So Kashmiri, with a lot of resistance and reluctantly, Kashmiri Pandits agreed to celebrate Mahashivratri in June, and when it was done in June, lo behold, so to the surprise of everybody, it started snowing. Snow was even in the summertime, and every person, Kashmiri, Muslim and Kashmir, all over the people, they were shocked, they were surprised that even in summertime it can be snow, and that snow brings a lot of difficulties. So they told him that Jawar Jand is crack, he is a bastard, he is a useless person, he brought miseries to the people of Kashmir. So immediately they prayed to the Lord Shiva, and the snow stopped. And from that day only, because there was snow during the summertime also, this Mahashivratri for Kashmiri Pandits is known as Herat. We say Mahashivratri as Herat. Herat means surprise in the Persian. That is the legend how it goes. Otherwise, it is Har Ratri, means that this auspicious night of the union of Parvati and wedding ceremony of Parvati and Mahadev. That exactly is how it's happening. So I'm telling a little bit in Kashmiri also that Jawar Jand pyav temis pat nav yam sat haras mast गई यूचा तुता आओ जूनस मज तो आओ पता वारिया ये शीन प्याओ क्या इसके तेम वो यसान वुचुन कि भगवान शंकरस मन यूचा शक्ति कि सु हेके हारस मज तो सु हेके गर्मी मज तो शीन प्यावनवित एंड तम सात वुच तमो कि सारी लुख गई परेशान क्या कि जूनस मज तो प्याव तम सात शीन तो तमिस थोक नाव पत जवार जंद जवार जंद जवार जंद तो जवार जंद कर टाल टाल तमसन एंड सह गो बड़ परेशान कि भाई कि मान बेवकूफ़ी मान वजह सतन प्याव यूता ये मुसलमान यम ते बटन सारे हंदिस अवामस प्याव यूता तकलीफ हेन तो इसलिए प्याव तमिस नाव जवार जंद तो यथ महाशिवरात्रि अथ प्याव नाव हैरत 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 means surprise. So ladies and gentlemen, we wind up with here. It is today is 14th February 2018, 13th February 2018. One day before yesterday was our Mahashivratri of Kashmiri Pandits all over the world. Hairat in this Kashmir parlance, we say it Hairat, and today is Salam. So once again, ladies and gentlemen, Hairat Mubarak, Mahashivratri Mubarak, and Salam Mubarak to you and all. You and we and this whole planet Earth and all the people living on this planet Earth and every animal, plant and whosoever is on this earth, they should live with peace, quiet, and of course in happiness. Thank you very much. Health and happiness. Thank you very much. God bless you. Thank you.